Asia market open. Bitcoin, global markets climb as U.S. shutdown negotiations show signs of progress. Asia, Bitcoin, crypto market. A shutdown deal could ease liquidity strains and volatility, boosting confidence in growth-linked digital assets. Crypto reporter, Shalini Nagarajan. Crypto reporter, Shalini Nagarajan. About author. Shalini is a crypto reporter who provides in-depth reports on daily developments and regulatory shifts in the cryptocurrency sector. Author profile. Share. Copied. Last updated 17 minutes ago. Bitcoin jumped back above $106,000 as Asia opened on Monday, and regional stocks advanced as Washington moved closer to ending the historic U.S. government shutdown. The Senate on Sunday advanced a 60-vote cloture deal to reopen the federal government, sending the package to the House and President Trump for approval. The agreement funds operations through January 30, 2026, reverses certain employee firings, secures SNAP benefits through fiscal 2026, and sets up a December vote on Affordable Care Act subsidies. Relief over a near-term resolution fed risk appetite, and traders rotated into higher beta assets. Nasdaq futures rose 0.8% and S&P 500 futures gained 0.5% in early trade, signaling a firmer Wall Street open. Crypto reflected the swing in sentiment. After the early pop, Bitcoin last traded near $106,097, up 4.4% from 24 hours earlier. Market snapshot. Bitcoin, $106,097, up 4.4%. Ether, $3,636.14, up 7.9%. XRP, $2.44, up 7.8%. Total crypto market cap, $3.66 trillion, up 4.8%. Investors looked past recent volatility as liquidity returned to equities and crypto. Across equities, MSCI's Asia ex-Japan index added 0.5%, and Japan's Nikkei rose 0.6%. South Korea's Kospi advanced 2%, and in Europe, Eurostoxx 50 and DAX futures gained 1.3% each. Bond markets signaled a modest unwind of safety trades. The U.S. 10-year yield edged up to about 4.13%, while the 2-year rose to roughly 3.59%. The dollar recovered part of last week's pullback as investors reassessed the growth outlook against a patient Federal Reserve. Inside Washington, the prolonged shutdown has strained the economy. Federal workers across airports, law enforcement, and the military have gone unpaid, and the central bank has faced data gaps with limited government reporting. Shutdown fallout weighs on confidence, keeping investors cautious. White House economic advisor Kevin Hassett said fourth-quarter GDP could turn negative if the shutdown persisted. Consumer nerves showed up in the data. U.S. consumer sentiment fell to near a 3.5-year low in early November as households weighed the potential fallout, adding another layer of uncertainty to trading desks. For crypto, the path to a deal matters. The shutdown had tightened liquidity across pockets of the market and increased volatility around macro releases. So clearer fiscal footing lowers tail risks and supports positioning in digital assets sensitive to growth and risk cycles. Wall Street eyes shutdown vote after turbulent week for tech stocks. Equity investors kept one eye on last week's shakeout. Concerns over stretched valuations in AI-linked names sparked the Nasdaq Composite's worst week since April's tariff-driven sell-off, with the index down 3%. The S&P 500 fell 1.6% and the Dow slipped 1.2% for the week. Fed speakers last week signaled a preference to go slow on further rate cuts, and recent employment readings hinted at softening momentum. Traders, balancing those signals with the shutdown news, leaned toward a constructive start to the week. As the House takes up the Senate package and the White House reviews it, markets will watch the timeline closely. A clean passage keeps the relief bid intact, while any snag could revive volatility across both stocks and crypto. Follow us on Google News. Trending news. Recommended popular crypto topics. Price predictions. Live Fed Payments Innovation Conference. Real-time updates as Federal Reserve discusses crypto, stablecoins, and AI with industry leaders. Crypto market prospect. After the washout, the soil looks richer. XRP price prediction. Post-swell volatility, traders watch for confirmation of the XRP death cross and next move. XRP price prediction. XRP ranked number 2 by analysts, just behind Bitcoin, ahead of Solana and Doji. Bitcoin price prediction. JP Morgan predicts $170,000 BTC within 6 months. Is Wall Street buying the dip? Altcoin news. Filecoin FET. Near leads select altcoin season gains as market fear persists. 2 days ago, by Hongji Feng. Industry talk. Best crypto to buy now. November 7th. XRP, Solana, Dogecoin. Price analysis. Cardano price prediction. Big gains ahead? Analyst and Hoskinson agree ADA's next move could be explosive. 2 days ago, by Harvey Hunter. Best crypto to buy now in November 2025. Top crypto to invest in. 3 days ago, by Alan Draper. New cryptocurrencies to invest in today. Top new crypto coins. 5 days ago, by Inesis Tavares. Top 12 crypto presales to watch in November 2025. 2 days ago, by Alan Draper. 12 new and upcoming Coinbase listings in November 2025. 5 days ago, by Elijah Rankovich. 12 new and upcoming Binance listings in 2025. 2 days ago, by Elijah Rankovich. The next crypto to explode in 2025. Our top picks. 4 days ago, by Elijah Rankovich. Bitcoin, BTC, price prediction 2025 to 2030. October 24, 2025, by Leon Waters. XRP, price prediction 2025, 2026 to 2030. August 29, 2025, by Eric Huffman. Ethereum price prediction 2025 to 2030. 5 days ago, by Ben Beto.